In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Teams on Windows 10, ensuring a seamless experience as you set up this essential application. Let's walk through this process step by step, making it as smooth and straightforward as possible. To get started, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser, whether that's Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser of your choice. In the address bar at the top, type in the URL for the Microsoft Teams download page. That's www.microsoft.com/Microsoft Teams download app. This is the official site from where you can safely download the app, so there's no need to worry about security or legitimacy. Once you've reached the download page, you'll notice several options available. Since we're focusing on installing Microsoft Teams on a Windows 10 desktop, locate the section that says Desktop and then click on the button labeled Download for Windows. This action will initiate the download of the Teams setup file, typically named Teams/Windows C4.x. Make sure to keep an eye on your download manager at the bottom of your browser. It should show you the progress of this download. Depending on your internet speed, this process might take a few moments. Once the download is complete, navigate to where your downloaded files are usually saved. This is often the downloads folder, but you might have a different location set on your computer. Look for the Teams Windows/x file. This is your installer. Next, double-click on this file to begin the installation process. A window should pop up asking if you'd like to allow this app to make changes to your device. As this is a necessary step for installing any application, go ahead and click Yes. The Microsoft Teams installer will then launch and you're on your way. The installation process should begin automatically. Usually, there's no need for additional inputs, as the installer takes care of most of the details. However, make sure you have enough space on your device for this application, though typically it doesn't require too much. As the installation proceeds, you might be prompted to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. If you need to create a new account, Microsoft will guide you through that process easily. After installation, Microsoft Teams will open automatically, and you are now ready to start using the app. You'll find the Microsoft Teams icon on your desktop or in your Start menu so you can quickly access it in the future. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Teams on your Windows 10 computer, ready to connect, communicate, and collaborate effortlessly. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new setup.